The Galaxy S25 Edge just shocked us all, and it's way better than we first thought. What's up, guys? Atif here with 4 game-changing updates that make Samsung's ultra-thin phone actually worth buying. Let's dive in. First, the weight. At under 162 grams, this 6.7 giant is lighter than the base S25. That's 30 grams less than the S25 Plus with the same screen size. How? A radical diet plan? The battery trade-off. Here's the catch. Samsung sacrificed battery size for thinness. Just 3,900 mAh, smaller than even the 6.2 inches S25. But wait, they could have used silicon carbon tech for 4,500 mAh at this thickness. After the Note 7 fiasco, Samsung's playing it safe. Thinness war with Apple. Originally 6.4 millimeters, Samsung panicked when iPhone 17 Slim rumors hit 5.5 millimeters. Their response? 5.84 millimeters by axing the third camera. That's paper thin for a flagship. But look how they hid the 10mm camera bump with this optical illusion. No telephoto? No problem. The 200-megapixel sensor enables lossless 3x zoom. And that weird oblong camera housing? Pure design genius to mask the thickness. Launching June-July, globally. Want to see how the S25 Ultra destroys iPhones? Click here. Drop a comment. Would you buy this ultra-thin experiment?